Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's our boy Dennis, and ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm back. Back with a very special episode. A lot has been happening. Sundowns has been happening. Hey man, Sundowns has been happening. They lost the final away to Pyramids. And to some of us, as a shock because of I feel like we knew it was gonna happen. Take into consideration a record the Pyramids. I mean, we league now go Champions League, ne record at home, you know. So, hey man, yeah, it's unfortunate. They couldn't, come back in a senior star, but I feel like it's one of those things which, you know what, they need to wait for Kaizer Chiefs, which Nazis to star, then kind of want to say but for now, they need to wait for us. But man, okay, let's get on to the business of the day. Hey man, so fans of Sundowns, they weren't happy. They were not happy with the fact that Umshishi didn't even play both legs. And yeah, man, it raises eyebrows now. Where do we go from here? Other people are saying Cardoso needs to be sacked. I saw Benedict Zovilaga saying Sundowns put themselves in a position whereby last year they said they sacked Orlando Mokwena because of the Champions League, and now Cardoso didn't get the Champions League, so they need to do the same. And for me, I feel like it's common knowledge that in the Orlando Mokwena was sacked because of he couldn't get the Champions League. It was just a cover up. It was just a cover up because of it later came out that, you know what, it became a dispute between Ian and Fleming with regards to signing of a lodge and so for me, man, I'd say it's not advisable. I wouldn't advise, or I wouldn't say maybe Sundowns should sack Cardoso because of, I mean, like, for August Ngaki in a space of 2-3 years. It's not healthy for a club. It's not healthy for the players that are there. In hindsight, emotion, ne philosophy, ne identity club, because of now it was Mokwena this type of football with this philosophy. He went out, it was, you know, Mangoba changed this into Zake. Now it was Cardoso came in and bought, you know, Abomutiba, made them players as like it's not healthy, man. Just keep the guy, and I don't think it's advisable to sack a coach or Club World Cup. Just give him another season and see how it goes, man. But I think the past 2 years, Sundowns has been winning one trophy only and spending huge amounts of money. So it's tricky, man. But me personally, sacking Cardoso, it's not a good idea. Just give him another season and see what happens. And yeah, man, just take it from there because of Motia Pega, Uzomseka, and then who you gonna bring in. You can't mend things and bring back Orlando Mokwena. Well, maybe some of the Sundowns fans would like to see that, but about Orlando Mokwena, so I think rumors are saying he might be going to Pyramids. I don't know how true that is or how factual that is. I mean, you know, we're at the point whereby the transfer window for Liwe, everyone who's about linked in, you know, each and every club, you know, so don't sack. In conclusion, I'd say Sundowns mustn't sack Cardoso. Just keep him there. Give him another season, see what he does with Club World Cup, give him another season, and then you can, you know, make your verdict next season. And yeah, man, let's get into Kaizer Chiefs. You see, I think angazi nokuthi ngibeke njani, because of now, as I've said, ukuthi we're at the point, or we're at the phase whereby, or we're at the time whereby each and every Tom, Dick and Harry is gonna be linked with the club. Khona manje we're being linked with Evanga. Guys, I'm sorry, but if we dare go for my players that were Evanga, we'd rather sell the club. We'd rather sell the club because of soccer beat. Postil here said the rumor says Kaizer Chiefs have reportedly renewed their interest in former Orlando Pirates forward Evanga. Out of wonke, I'm a striker akona. Evanga, no ways. We can't be saying sifunu kambisa abo Ranga Chivaviro, mateta sifunu kuletha abo Evanga. No. It's one of those things whereby we are born with the Kaizer Chiefs. Ifunu kuskila futhi, we can't. Evanga, it's a no. I hope it's just a rumor yokuthi i-agent ibhadale soccer bid ukuthi awuslinkele iplayer lethu na this club so that mhlambe kube ne-interest, but we can't be going for players like Evanga. I'm so sorry. We can't. And yeah, man, there's this thing that I want to talk about, which I feel like it's more important than anything that's happening right now. Kaizer Chiefs fans, I want to ask you guys, what do you think with these two players? We can possibly get them, or there's a possibility, there's a chance of us singabathola nga free transfer. Sipho Mbuli no Rivaldo Coetzee. It's quality. Age ga Sipho Mbuli, it's still okay. He's still 26, 27. With Rivaldo, you see with me, I'd go for Sipho Mbuli. I think Sipho Mbuli is one of the players which they worth the risk. We know which conduct yakhe sometimes bad. Hey, Master Chef Loyana, Master Chef, and for free. I mean, I'd take Sipho Mbuli. I don't know about Rivaldo Coetzee because of looking at the injury record. He's injury prone, and I don't think good phases which wanna rebuild, wanna give coach all these players. I don't think it's ngafuna ukuyenza leyo mistake ukuthi sifuna ukunikeza coach a player, that's injury prone. In hindsight or on paper, it's quality. Rivaldo Coetzee angangena laphana kube gold rotational player or gold bench player for former players like Abo Marte, for players like Abo Thabo Cele. But hey man, young stress, indaba yakhe injury, but hey man, we have a possibility ukuthi singasigna two proven quality players for free. Master Chef uSipho Mbuli, abafethu nizongixolela mina ngiyamfuna Master Chef with the things that he can do kule 10 role with ama-players 6 ne-8 akahle, whether it's Thabo Cele or Faisal Salum laba esibafunayo, but Master Chef kule 10 with the right striker up front. I'm sorry. I know I'm always against indaba yokuthatha ama-players from downs, but this is Master Chef. He's still 27, proven quality. It's not like Usirino by sign umuntu on 33 or 34, guys. Rivaldo Coetzee, I would. I don't know about you guys, but I would. I mean, not to Rivaldo Coetzee or Sipho Mbuli, I would. But as for Rivaldo Coetzee, I don't know about Rivaldo Coetzee. I don't want to lie to you guys, but let's just wait and see what happens, see how it goes, see players like Kaizer Chiefs or sign, because of Kwanama just a release. There's a possibility that we might release Sofia Gentware. There's a possibility Castillo na yangahamba. We're not renewing a contract yaga Matlo Aboranga bayahamba. There's a lot. So it's interesting times, man. I think we all looking forward to kuzokwenzakala, but we just need to sibe no hope ukuthi club izoyenza something right, so that but set up a coach for success. Set up the coach for success by giving him all the tools that he wants, and then take it from there, see what happens next season. And then and again, Soccer Beat I think they just posted again a short list. The Pirates, Pirates na thinking and yabo coach. So there's Rolando Mokoena. Rolando Mokoena, I don't think he'll come to Orlando Pirates. He's been linked with the Pyramids, but again, I don't know how factual that is. But if they can land Rolando Mokoena, then it's good for them. They are linked to Rolando Mokoena. There's Pablo Franz Martin, which I don't know how to feel about that one. There's Pablo Martin, there's Ricardo Sapinto, there's Pizzo Msimani. Forget about that one. Pizzo's not coming to Orlando Pirates. Maybe the only club like Pizza Maya corner, Senaturena, you'll never go to Orlando Pirates. You'll never. And then there's Umandla Ncikazi. We see with Umandla Ncikazi, the Pirates must never make that mistake. Yokuthi bazothi Umandla Ncikazi njengoba menze interim bese bafuna ukumenza head coach. It's gonna go down. And bazophapha sekulate during the season ukuthi la semesapile. So yakamandla Ncikazi yona out. But yeah, man, let's just see what happens. Club World Cup is coming. transfer window ivuliwe, you know, kuningi okwenzakalayo. So let's just see what happens, see how it goes from here. It's a boy in the simplest like the video. Subscribe to the channel, just doing this for the love of the game.